Hi and welcome to today's project. So today I often use Caster's Choice for my mica powders, but today I'm going to be using the absolutely brilliant Pearl X. The thing is, I do use Pearl X all the time, but in my casting blanks, because I don't solely have mica powders just of Caster's Choice. I use a lot of different ones from lots of different places, but these were kindly sent out to me by House of Resin because I fancied trying something a little bit different. So they sent me these 5 colours, and actually the 5 colours complement each other lovely. You've got the Pearl X range Aqua Blue, Duo Blue Violet, so that's a blue and violet in that. It's a duo colour. Nox Gold, or Intense Gold it's known as. Hot Copper, it's a lovely colour that. And green and yellow. So I thought I would actually do a 5-pour casting. I'm going to do all resin, which is quite unusual for me, but to really see these colours, the all resin is the absolute best really, to truly see colours in a blank. So I'm going to be doing a pour. We're going to be using Amazing Clear Cast as always. Amazing Clear Cast. This is just the normal. I don't need the plus for this. So I'm going to be using that. You certainly could use the plus, but I don't need it for this. So I'm going to be using Amazing Clear Cast, and this is a lizard blank. It's a bit battered actually, this lizard blank. It's had an awful lot of use. You get these from House of Resin as well. I'm actually due to order a couple more of these. They are incredibly good, and it's done hundreds of castings, this one. So, and I'm going to need roughly about 500 mils, because of course Amazing Clear Cast is let me put that camera up a little bit. Amazing Clear Cast is in volume, you measure it out. So I use plastic cups. Let's have a look and get, oh, here they are here. Plastic cups. You can get all the plastic cups from House of Resin as well. They do these, and these are great because they have the measurements up on the side here. So I'll use, it's 1-to-1, so I'll use 250 of one, 250 of another, mix it into the same pot, and then start stirring. So I shall get these measured out into the 250, and I'll then just basically pour them in together and stir them up. I do an initial pour of 4 minutes solid stirring. It's really important. It is quite a thick resin. It still is. I've tested a lot of resins, and it still is my favourite resin. The blanks come out just as they should with this particular resin. So I shall get that all stirred up, and then we will come back when it comes to getting them mixed up. Okay, so just mixed the resin, and now's the big stirring. This takes quite a length of time to get this mixed up, and I keep it inside, and the temperature roughly in here is about 21, 22, because it's indoors. Just remember to be wearing your mask. I haven't got it on because I'm talking to you, but you should have the mask on at all times. I wear it at all times when I'm not on camera. So we'll just stir this now roughly for about 4 minutes. Okay, so I stirred this for actually about around 8 minutes. Now we'll get it into some containers. Just going to divide it up equally. Put the camera down a little bit. Okay, so I have a little spoon here, and it is actually 1/4 teaspoon. And this is what I use for measuring out this. So we'll start and get the caps off. Yeah, I thought they'd have a little cover on them all. So that's roughly what's needed. As you'll see when I stir this in, it is actually more than enough. Always be careful stirring because it comes out in a big plume. Beautiful rich colours in Pearlex, and there's such a massive range of Pearlex colours. They go on and on and on. I don't know how much is in their full range, but it is pretty amazing the amount. Look how rich that is. That's plenty enough on there. So this is the Geo Green Yellow. So you stir this, this has got a bit of both in. You can just see it from the top there, you see. Maybe you can't on the camera actually. But depending what light it is, it'll be green and yellow. Or you can see it more there as I'm stirring. This is the Hot Copper. Beautiful rich colour. Get these in bigger pots. I don't know if they do the full range in the bigger pots as well, but this is just the small ones. These mix really well into the resin very quickly. Okay, and this is Duo Aqua Blue. Very nice colour indeed. You can see there's the two different, I don't know if you can see this in the camera. You can see it more when you mix it. It's got the aqua blue. What is it? Geo, Aqua and Blue. So you see the greens and the blues in that. Very nice. And the last colour is Geo Blue Violet. Let's see, I'm not seeing it so far. Oh, I can see it now. You've got the purple violet in there with the blue. So now I'm just going to leave these for a little while for the resin to heat up a little bit. Just helps the colours not combine. So I'll come back when we're ready to pour. Okay, just getting ready for pouring. Shouldn't be too long now. Get a nice divide of colour. Right, I'll get this all put in, and then this will go in the pressure pot until tomorrow. Leaving it a good 12 hours before taking it out of the pot. Okay, we'll come back in the morning for demoulding. Hi and welcome back. So it's the next day, and I've opened the mould and give it a little bang beforehand. So that is it. Really delighted. It's got some beautiful big cells in there. So what I'll do is I shall go and cut it up now, and I shall get some pictures up for you after. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give that thumbs up if you liked it, and if you've not been here before, press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and then you'll get notified when I put more up. Hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.